Welcome to PowerDrift and to the launch of the Porsche 911. The 911 has been the centerpiece for Porsche brand, a car with a motorsport lineage bigger than any other. This is the longest selling sports car of the world, a car with maximum motorsport wins. No wonder they've sold 9 lakh units till date.
Like every other Porsche, 911 is a car which you can drive to your office, you can drive it to the racetrack and drive it on the racetrack. It's a car which you can use every day in any situation, in any climate and in any country.
Ever since its inception in 1963, it's held on to its iconic shape. In its latest iteration, it gets a new nose with a revised bumper and bigger air dams. At the rear, you get vertical slats instead of the horizontal ones, revised tail lamps and a new exhaust. Certain things in the world have so much of history and legacy attached to them, they should never change. Like the universal symbol of a red cross or the front lights of a 911. Well, they've been around for the last 50 years. In the latest iteration, they are now all LED. Yes, the design has matured over time. The cars have become bigger, safer, smarter, faster. But there's something that stuck all this while, and it's the rear-mounted flat 6 engine. It's called so for a reason, because unlike a V-configuration engine, the cylinder heads here are arranged at a horizontal 180-degree angle. And to somebody's imagination, the pistons move outwards like two boxers standing back-to-back, punching outwards. For the first time in the history of Porsche, the Carrera now gets a turbocharger. Well, actually, 2 of them.
Porsche is still the only manufacturer to utilize turbochargers with variable turbine geometry in a petrol engine.
This 911 is the fastest 911 ever built. The Turbo S model does 0 to 100 in just 2.9 seconds.
Now, Porsche fans would know that the 911 always came with a ton of variants. This one, luckily or unluckily, is no different. Out of the 15 variants available, India's gonna get 8. We get the Carrera S, the Turbo S, and then cabriolet versions of all 4. All cars available in India will come with 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the PDK from Porsche. So we missed out on the GT3, the Targa, and the 4. Now things on the inside are pretty much same like the earlier car. The steering wheel you see here is an add-on addition from the GT kit. It's borrowed from the 918 Spider and gets 2 interesting things. First is this knob here that lets you change the driver selection mode on the go. So you can select from your normal, sports plus or individual. The second is the more interesting bit. Remember Need for Speed when you press that NOS button? Well, this button right here will put the engine into its maximum performance mode for 20 seconds. And this button right here is going to make the sports exhaust go louder so you can flaunt your baby. Other buttons here toggle the convertible roof, the temperature settings, and the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment unit. There's really something about the Porsche instrument cluster, and I can't pinpoint what it is. Maybe my childhood fascination, or maybe just the way the beautifully crafted instrument cluster looks. Now I can't really finish this video without doing this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.